I'm gonna show you how to download navigation maps in NAVIONICS app. So to get started, you have to open your application, and from there you have to click the menu button located in the bottom, and then you have to scroll up and click on download maps. And once you click on download maps, you're going to select a location or area of the map that you want to download. So for this case, I'm going to click here and click download, and then the app will just load and download the map itself. So from there you just have to wait, and when it's done downloading, it will just automatically download the maps. So from there you can just zoom in so you can see that the map is already downloaded. And that's how you download a navigation maps in NAVIONICS.